How to unblock yourself from Instagram if someone has blocked you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a specific trick for you to be able to unblock yourself if someone has blocked you on Instagram app. Now, everybody knows that you won't be able to do this manually or automatically. But what you can do is at the top right hand, you should be able to see the three lines, and under your account, you should be able to see Account Center. And from here, account unblocking is not visible here, so you just have to close this and scroll down, and you should be able to see blocked option under who can see your content. So this is basically where you can unblock um, any friends you have on Instagram if you blocked them and wanting to unblock them. But however, if someone has blocked you, you won't be able to do this yourself. What you're gonna need to do is to go into the account center, and you just need to create another account. Now that account needs to be connected with the current account where someone has blocked you on that existing account. What you have to do is just to open up the chat messages box in your Instagram application or into your Instagram account and then add that specific person. Now you won't be able to unblock it completely, but you can still send message to that person. So that's the last resort for you to be able to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you.